Hello there, Tanmay here. Today's topic is that how you can sell your artwork using this social media. So if you are selling your artwork using on this all social platforms, and maybe you are facing some difficulties and maybe you don't understand how you can sell more and what is the correct use of this social media for selling your artwork, so now you are at the right place. So let's get started. So if you want to sell your artwork on social media, here are the 4 points. First is intent, online selling. Then the next step, the high cost artwork. So what is the first step is that what is the intent of the people? When people are using social media, you should know what is the intent and why they are using social media. This is a very important part, and most of the people do not understand this important part, this part. They just think that they can just put anything on social media platform and they can sell. That's not true. Okay, use social media wisely. So first thing is, social media is not a marketplace for all. It can definitely help you to sell whatever your business or product, but only if you know how to use this social media thing correctly. So if you are selling something food or you have restaurant, cafe, then you should know how to use this social media, because you just cannot put your food photos and give the link and expect people to buy from you. That's not going to happen. That's not how it works. Okay. Second thing is, people don't open social media to buy. Yeah. When you open Instagram, YouTube, your intent is not buying. But when you go to bazaar, your intent is you go because you want to buy something. But when you open social media, you may be just chilling, or you want some education or anything else. Because if you wanted to buy on internet something, then you are not on social media. You may be on some e-commerce website or somewhere else. Okay, try to understand this point as well. So according to, we have to take care of people's conditions, their mind's conditions. Understand the why on all social media platforms. So like why these people are on YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram. This is very important part. I tell my students in every video, that understand the emotions of people, understand why they are using these platforms. That's very important. So why they are on Facebook page, why these people on Facebook group, what is their first thing when they join the Facebook group, and are you just putting your video and just saying buy my product, buy my service? This is not going to happen. Okay, so first 3 things is that social media is not marketplace for all of the people. Understand, people don't open social media to buy. And last point is that understand all the social media platforms, that why people are on this, why people are using these platforms. Okay. Next part is online selling. So what's inside that? When you have your artwork, okay, let's say you got your artwork, but what is the actual problem? Because the buyer of the artwork are not gonna just see your photo, let's say a video of your artwork, and immediately not gonna buy, because they should understand what is the artwork actually. So what is a real problem is the visualization of the size of the piece. Whatever artwork you got, they should understand what is the size, actual size. They cannot understand from that photo, that video. And next is the texture, the color, or anything else, the details. They cannot understand the details from this online world. So you think that you have created your page, your videos, and people are just asking prices, but why these people are not buying? What is the solution? I'm putting so much efforts on this social media platforms for my artwork or whatever thing you got, but why this is not working? The matter is that you don't know how to use this social media. What you are doing, you are just selling on this social media. But actually what you should do, you should actually use these social media platforms, whatever platforms, to redirect your audience to the offline world. Because you are selling artwork, let's say, just because people who are buying your artwork not gonna buy online, they're gonna buy offline after reviewing, after seeing the actual masterpiece. So use social media to redirect these people to your, let's open the portal, offline event. So whatever offline event, what you have to do, monthly or weekly, whatever events you can schedule, just conduct events, conduct event and call people to these events, and there you will sell your artwork. This is the point. So you can actually create offline meetings as well, monthly events, different events like gallery or your new painting or your new artwork, whatever it is. And then offline meetings means, what do you have to do? Let's say you create a video, in-depth video about your artwork, telling what is it, how it's made, whatever it is. And then in the end of the video, you give the call to action that if you love this artwork, if you love this, then just have a Zoom call or just meeting and set an actual meeting, physical meeting with that person. So this, if they like your video, if they like your artwork, then they will meet you, and then you'll personally sell them that artwork. This is how you have to use this social media platform. So how, let me give you some more insights. That post a video or photo, that's what I told you, and of the event. Yeah. And next is Facebook group of art event. There are plenty of Facebook groups. So you are in art, so join 15-20 art groups on Facebook. And what you have to do whenever your event is there, just create event on these Facebook group as well. So there is an option on every Facebook group. Let's go to the event and just conduct an event. So monthly event, weekly event, whatever. These event, people will actually show interest to these events. This is how you will get public. So collect their email, collect their phone number, whatever thing. Use this social media to just collect the information, put this people, get that people from social media to your offline world. This is how you have to use this social media. So let's say your artwork is very costly and you have a budget. So if you have really the budget to spend and your artworks are $5,000, $10,000, that much costly, and you are good at your works, you have confidence, then what you have to do, you just run ads in your local area. So what just spend $500, $600, whatever your budget is, spend Facebook ads, and Facebook has that capacity that it can show your advertise, whatever your post, whatever your video, to only your local people. So what you do, you post, you just run ad to your local people, show that you are here, you are just conducting that event, XYZ, whatever. So you spend your money like this. This is how you can just sell your artwork by using this social media. So if you like this video, just what you have to do, and thank you very much. Yeah.